The night Angus rode the goods train. He awoke to the sound of clunking and clunking. And there it was, all about, called the driver, and Angus climbed up onto the train. He saw milk and honey and rice, and he just take of water to make stead for the train. Where are we going? He asked. Somewhere. Very important, said the driver. Far away, and with a whistle and a whoosh they was off. Away, they speed across the lake and over the sea, in and out of town, and cities up and down, hills and mountains, church faces and valleys, and flows sink and rich with trees. The wind swept through Angus' hair, and his heart was happy to be going far away to somewhere so important.